Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last long video, I had started the top 10 HR interview question answer session by focusing on the top 5. Today, I'll conclude this by presenting the next set of HR interview questions and my suggested answers. Question number 6. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? What recruiters check? They check career clarity, ambition, and alignment with the organization. Let us look at a smart answer which is very balanced and appears professional. I see myself growing into a role with greater responsibility where I can contribute more strategically to the organization's success. Over the next 5 years, I aim to deepen my expertise, take on leadership opportunities, and add measurable value while continuously upgrading my skills in line with business needs. Now, let us look at a stronger version, which is slightly strategic one. In the next 5 years, I see myself evolving into a more strategic role within the organization, contributing not just operationally but also to decision making and growth initiatives. I would like to take on increased responsibilities, mentor team members, and build expertise that directly supports the company's long term objectives. Now, let us look at a leadership focused reply for senior roles. I see myself in a leadership position where I can influence business strategy, drive performance, and build strong teams. My goal is to contribute significantly to the organization's growth while continuously enhancing my leadership and domain expertise. Next question is, why are you looking for a job change? In the first answer, we look at from the growth focused perspective. I gained valuable experience in my previous role, but I am now looking for opportunities that offer broader responsibilities and better align with my long term career goals. Second answer, from the role alignment perspective. I realize that my strengths and interests are better aligned with this kind of role, and I am looking to transition into something where I can contribute more effectively. Third, from learning and challenge perspective. I'm looking for a more challenging role where I can expand my skills and take on greater responsibilities. Fourth answer, from organizational change perspective, if applicable. Due to changes in the organization, the role scope became limited, so I'm exploring opportunities that allow for continued growth. Next answer is from the career shift perspective, if you're changing domain. Over time, I developed a strong interest in this field, and I'm now looking to transition into a role that aligns with that direction. The key is this: keep it positive, forward looking, and honest, but not overly detailed or emotional. And above all, never badmouth your previous employer. Question number 8 is, how do you handle pressure? Here, recruiters check your emotional stability. Now, let us look at a stronger and a polished answer first. I handle pressure by staying organized and breaking tasks into priorities. Instead of getting overwhelmed, I focus on what needs immediate attention and work step by step. For example, in my previous role, we had a tight deadline for project or task. I created a quick plan, delegated where possible, and stayed focused on key deliverables, which helped us complete the work on time without compromising quality. Now let us look at a short and crisp version of the reply. I stay calm under pressure by prioritizing tasks and focusing on solutions. In my last role, I managed tight deadlines by organizing work efficiently, which helped me deliver on time. Next important question is, what are your salary expectations? What recruiters check? Your market awareness and confidence. Let us look at a strong market aware answer. Based on my experience and understanding of the market for similar roles, I'm looking at a range of rupees X to rupees Y. That said, I'm open to discussing the overall compensation structure, including growth and learning opportunities. Number two, if you want to stay flexible, this is the reply you should give. I prefer to understand the role and responsibilities in detail before finalizing a number. However, based on my experience, I'm expecting something in the range of rupees X to rupees Y. If you're currently employed, this is how you can reply. I'm currently drawing rupees X, and based on my experience and the value I bring, I'm expecting a reasonable hike. I'm open to discussing a fair number. And finally, if you want to avoid giving a number first, this is how you can reply. I'm open to a fair and competitive offer as per industry standards. Could you please share the budget range for this role? Now we come to the final question number 10. Do you have any questions to ask? By asking this question, the recruiters check your engagement and curiosity for the position. The smart answer should always be yes. Never say, no, I don't have any questions. Let us look at various types of questions you may ask. First, from role clarity and success perspective. What would success look like in this role in the first 3 to 6 months? What are the key challenges someone in this position would face initially? Next is from team and expectations perspective. How does this role contribute to the team's overall objectives? What are the immediate priorities for the team right now? Next is from growth and performance perspective. How is performance measured for this role? Are there opportunities for learning and progression within the organization? Next set of questions which you may ask are: how would you describe the working style of the team or manager? What kind of people tend to do really well here? Next is a strategic question which I think really impresses interviewers. What are the biggest challenges the organization is currently facing, and how can this role help address them? And are there any upcoming projects or changes that this role will be involved in? And finally, let us look at a closing question, which is again a very powerful one. Is there anything about my profile that gives you hesitation or anything I can clarify? Please select only 1 to 2 questions from the suggested set. Asking more than 2 questions may come across as excessive and could potentially irritate the recruiters. This concludes my top 10 HR interview question and answer session. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So until we meet again shortly, thanks, take care, bye.